Hey YouTube fam, what's up? This your boy Ray Mack. We ain't got no time to waste right now, so we got to hurry up and get into this here video. Look here, y'all. I got some pork spare ribs, and I'm throwing these babies on the Weber smoker, the 12-inch Weber smoker. Y'all, we're gonna have a good time with this one right here. So look, let's get started. The first thing I did, I got me some spare ribs out and cleaned and trimmed up, or whatever the case may be. Pulled the membrane off. Now I'm taking some of this olive oil, and I just want to rub this olive oil onto this here meat, because we're gonna go and throw some seasonings onto this. The first thing I got is some of this Tuffy Stone sweet barbecue rub. I love this here Tuffy Stone sweet barbecue rub. I'm telling you right now, you've got to get this here stuff. I bought this at a local sports shop, and I'm using this here right now on this here spare ribs. And I'm telling you right now, the smell of this here seasoning, it penetrates my nostrils, and it smells so good. So I just can't wait to see how this baby turn out on the stove. We're on the grill. Now after that, I'm gonna also toss on some of this here. This is that extra fancy rib rub. We're gonna toss some of that onto the rib as well. Get this a little bit more extra flavor. You understand what I'm saying? We're going for mad flavor right here. The next thing I want to toss on is some of this here coarse black pepper. And you just can't smoke no ribs without no pepper, y'all. I don't know, some people might, but for me, I can't. I got to have my pepper. So it's gonna pile the flavor on. Now we're just gonna press in the seasonings. We don't want to rub it in. We want to press in these seasonings. Now I want you to flip over that meat and then repeat the exact same thing when using the same seasoning. So let's do that right now. And you better not go nowhere. If you do, you're gonna miss something good. Now we're packing in the flavors on these here ribs. Now I have my Weber kettle set right now. I got the coals going right now. If you can look and see how beautiful these ribs look, I let them sit for at least around about 30 minutes before tossing them on the grill. So with that Weber kettle going, I got it set for indirect heat, and that's coals on one side and no coals on the other side. So I'm placing this meat opposite of the coals. I'm placing it where the coals are not underneath the meat. And we're gonna let this here roast on this here Weber grill for about 4 hours. We're gonna let it roast for about 4 hours, and every hour we're gonna take us a spritz bottle and just spray it down with some vinegar, some apple cider vinegar. And that's all we're gonna do. So I'm gonna toss the cover on now, and just to let you see what we've got going on, y'all, this is how it looks, just in a little cooking process. So we're not completely done with it right now, but as you can see, the color is nice. I mean, it smells nice outside, y'all. And this right here definitely is ready for some good eating. I'm ready for some good eating, but it ain't ready right now. But this is what I want you to do. Continue to let it cook for about 4 hours until that meat is tender. When your meat is tender, then you know it's ready. Now, I didn't put no barbecue sauce on this. None at all. I didn't have to wrap it. I didn't have to do anything. I just threw it on the grill, and I just went and spritzed it down with some apple cider vinegar. As you can see how this baby look already just seasoned up. So you can see a few shiners on this. Shiners is the exposed bone. I just want to take me a butcher knife and just cut these things right down to get me a good nice one bone cut. After letting these cook for about 4 hours, my God, if you could just smell this kitchen, how that smoke penetrates the room. Boy, we're ready for some good eating right here, y'all. So with that being said, what you could do, you could build you some barbecue sauce, toss some barbecue sauce on these if you like. I felt as if I didn't want no barbecue sauce, but I did make me some Chipotle sauce to go with this here, some homemade Chipotle sauce. Somebody at my job gave me some tomatoes, so I went and I put those tomatoes in the blender along with some onions, garlic, and some extra stuff to make me some Chipotle sauce. And I just took it and put it into a squeeze bottle, and then I just squeezed it right on top of these here ribs. And I have really enjoyed these babies. I really did. If you guys can grab hold of some of these seasonings, go ahead and try it. Get out there on the grill before the winter time set. And when that winter time do set, we're gonna hate it. But I don't know about y'all, but I cook all year round, 365 days out of the year I will cook, rain, sleet, or snow. How many of y'all grill outside and you don't care what the weather is? If you're that person, comment below and tell me you are a griller. Come on, somebody. Look how these ribs look right now with that chipotle sauce. And I'm telling you, that sauce, man, it really complimented these here ribs. So I want you to do me a favor. Check out Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Thank you so much for watching this here video. Give this video a thumbs up if you can. Please comment below. Let me know what types of videos you would like to see in the future. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Love somebody and hate nobody. Come on, somebody. Love and not hate. I love you guys. Peace.